we got Yuka Sensei, we got Sakura, we got Naruto. Yo, we got HR Conan. Never mind, I am happy we got. In this video, I am going unboxing this Naruto Kayou box Tier 4 Wave 4. In this video, I am going to open Naruto Kayou entire box 18 pack. This is 18 pack. In front of you guys see this. This is Naruto and Sasuke, Kurama and Susanoo in the background. So let's open this Naruto CCG Naruto Kayou box. And this is our first pack, and look at this pack, so nice, no? Rainbow. This is hollow, and this is Wave 4 Tier 4. Alright, let's open this Naruto pack. I just really want SP or BP inside this. Oh, yo guys. Yeah, I rip off the pack though, and we got Naruto, we got Suigetsu, yo, we got SLR and Sakura, SLR Haku. You guys better comment this is girl or boy. And we got, yo, damn, we got HR Itachi. Nice. And look at this, our first hit from the first pack. Alright, our second pack. Yo, we got Choji, guys. We got Choji. We got Konohamaru. We got Naruto. Yo, we got AR. Boom, boom. 2 in a row, we got hit. We got AR, Hinata, Namikaze, and the Kurama in the background. Yo guys, what do you think about this card? This artwork is so nice though. And yo, Weibo HR Hashirama. Right, new for me, all new. Nice though. Pack number 3. Alright guys, we got Yuka Sensei, we got Sakura, we got Naruto. Yo, why though? Why? This is the pack. Why though? The pack and we pull SP guys. Yo, we got HR Conan. Never mind, I am happy we got SP Sakura. Yeah guys, what is this? Oh, the design, nice design though. This new SP in Weibo HR Conan. Yeah guys, last time I pulled SP Kabuto, and this is Sakura. I just hope we can put another SP inside this video. Alright, I put Sakura in the middle, and this is pack number 4. Yo, another nice cut though. Why? We got Jugo, we got Kakashi, we got Neji, and we go damn, this is what I am looking for. Yo guys, this box is so nice. I want to scream, but this is in the middle of the night, something like that. I make this video 1 AM, and look at this, we got Obito guys. Yo, whoa, what? What is this? Yo, we got Chocho. Yo, this is Boruto logo though. Yo, maybe I will repeat the same box. Maybe I repeat 2 or 3. Nice though. We got Chocho. And don't forget about this. We got Obito and Hinata. Yo, this is make me want to rewatch anime Naruto. This take Naruto and Minato cover the Naruto. Alright. I'm taking Lonyoy now. Yo, this is what I want. I will put Obito right here so you guys can see 2 Obito in this video. Not 2 but 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Obito. 6 Obito. Alright guys, another pack. I don't want the nice hit in the beginning of this video, but never mind, I will take it. Okay guys, we get Choji, we got Sakon, we get this Gondol guy, and we put Kurenai SSR. We got Naruto, Hidan, nice. Another pick. We got Yamato. We got this samurai guy. We got guy. Yo, we got another SLR though. SLR Jiraiya. Damn boy. This is so clean. So clean. This is so clean. I really like this box. And yo, we got Jiraiya and Naruto, black and white. Yo, look at this guys. I'm in love with Kayou. Alright, we get 2 SLR now. Why though? In the beginning we have good pull. I just want my good pull in the last at the end of this video, but never mind. I am still searching for BP. Man, Wipu, yo, I forgot though who is this. Comment below though. Do you guys know? I think this is Tsunade boyfriend. I don't know. And yo, nice. Wipu Naruto HR. Pick number 8. Alright, we got the Scaring, we got Sasuke, yo, we got Choji, SSR Kakashi, Naruto, and Kakashi game. Pick number 9. Oh, sorry guys. Right, the mic is still on. Okay guys, sorry about that. We got Ayaya here. Ayaya, bring the power. We got Naruto. We got Sakura. We got SSR game. I don't know who, and this is Temari. Pack number 10. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you guys do, I will get BP inside this video. Okay guys. Oh, we got Raccoon. Yo. We got Raccoon. We got Sasuke. We got Yuka Sensei. And we put SSR Naruto. Nice. Yo, we got Sarada though. And look at this. Same Naruto, I like it. And this is Sarada. Alright, another pick. We got Sakura, another Sakura, we got Sasuke, and Itachi SSR. We already put Itachi HR. The first pick. Comment below, who is your favorite Naruto character? Me, you guys already know. I love Obito and this OR Fu. Nice. We got OR Fu, guys. Nice. Alright. Oh. Yo. We see Shikadai. Karin. I think Karin. We got Naruto. Yo. 3 SLR in one book. Yo, guys. Yo. Nice though. We got SLR. Ah, yeah. Hugo. Yo. My girl. Do you see this? I pull SLR Hinata. Do you want this? Look at this. So nice. If you want, please buy me 2 box this Naruto. Never mind, I'm just kidding. So this area, do you want this? Comment below if you want. Let me know. And we got Kabuto, guys. SLR Hinata. SLR yeah. Okay, I want to sleeve this card. Alright, we still have, this is pack number 5 lost. Okay, I just hope we can pull another hit. We got this Temari. Yo, nice Mitsuki. We got this guy, I don't know who, and SSR side. We got Choji. Number 4 last. We got Sasuke. We got Karina. We got this Lee and SSR. Yo, Naruto Sage Mode. Nice. And we got Kill B. This is 3 pack last, and I just hope we can pull better hit in the last pack. You guys better comment and guess which pack is the hit. Alright, I will open this pack first. We got Gamatsu. We get Sakura. We get Gal. Yo, another OR Lockley. We got Lockley here. We got Yo, yes, Team 7, guys. Yo, Sakura knocked the head of the Naruto, guys. Oh, this and this. Okay, never mind. We got OR Killer B. Alright, I will receive and I will put right here because I don't have any stand, and this is second last. I just hope we can pull SP game or BP. Okay guys, we got Naruto eating ramen. We got Gamma Buncha. We got this Rocky. Oh, we got Greeny Chiyo SSR. And we got Naruto HR. Never mind, this is our last pick. Oh, sorry, we got the last pick of Naruto Kayou tier 4. Yes, tier 4 with 4. Very nice though. Alright, I just hope we can pull better hit. Alright guys, we got Guy Sensei. We got Sakura. We got Tenten. Yo, we got another SLR though. We got 4 SLR. Another Hinata. Yo, we got another Ayaya, guys. Look at this. So beautiful, right? Yo, Ayaya. Complete though. Yo, Ayaya. Look at this. White and dark SLR. Very nice. We pull 4 SLR inside this one box, and this is Boruto, guys. Shikadai. Never mind. Look at this. We pull 2 SLR Hinata. White and dark. White ka. Maybe lah white. This is white, this is dark. So look at this. So nice artwork though. I will love this. Never mind. This is the end of this video. Maybe and I will save this first. Alright guys, ready sleep. We got 2 SLR Hinata. We got SLR Haku, SLR Jiraiya. We got 2 OR Fu and Killer B. And we got 2 AR Minato and Obito. And we got SP Sakura. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is my favorite pool, Uchiha Obito. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.